Hello, what's up guys? My name is Brenzo. Welcome to my channel. So just a quick one. We have new arrivals here. The Knipex made in Germany pliers. So this one is the Cobra XS. This one is the Pliers wrench. So both are really small. Just 4 inches in length. Really nice. Really light. You can instantly see how the quality is by just looking at its finish. Okay. Cobra XS, ideal to use for pipes. Okay, this one is the usual wrench, locking, easy to use. This one is better compared with my Stanley wrench, because this one you have a grip whenever, say, you put your adjustment already. You have the grip, locks in place, easy to move, easy to change, and yeah, definitely a nice quality, nice build from Knipex, made in Germany. Super cute, super liit, and these are can fit instantly in my medium size Leatherman sheet. Discreetly fit. Okay, super small, super liit. Available on my Facebook page, Brenzo Gears and Gadgets, 0917-634-5916. Knipex. Thank you for watching. Bye.